Hello everyone, welcome to our channel Topical Talks for a new tutorial video. And in this video,
we will learn how to full screen in League of Legends. So in order to full screen in League of Legends, firstly we'll have to get into a game. So I'll just head into the practice tool, go to the training section and click on practice tool, then confirm. After that, I'll just start the game as it is. Just pick any champion. Now let the game load up. Now the game has loaded, and in order to change the game to full screen, you have to press escape. Head to the video tab, and under the window mode, you'll just select full screen. As my window mode is already full screen, I'll just temporarily change it to windowed mode to see you the procedure. So as you can see, I am currently in the windowed mode. So in order to change to full screen, I'll press escape. Then under the window mode, I'll select full screen. And under resolution, you have to select the native resolution of your monitor. In my case, it's 1080p. So I'll just select it and press OK. And now as you can see, my game has been turned to full screen and I can enjoy the game in full screen mode.
thank you again for watching the video. Make sure to like this video and subscribe to our channel, and see you in the next video.